Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here, and we are here again at my kitchen. I hope everyone is well, and for those who's new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Maricel. So in today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken Alfredo. So if you wanna learn how I make it, tara samahan niyo ako. Alright guys, so here is the ingredients of our chicken Alfredo. So I'll be using a fettuccine pasta right here. And we will be needing a Parmesan cheese. This is 5 ounces. I'm probably gonna use half of this, but of course, more cheese, much better and tastes good. So we need butter. We need chicken here. This is 2 pieces of a chicken breast, but I slice or cut them into half. We need a heavy cream right here. We do need salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil. Minced garlic and minced onion, and we also need a white wine. Any white wine is good. I'll be using at least 1/3 or probably 1/3 cup of white wine. So let's get started. We need to season our chicken, and we're gonna fry them. So we can use the chicken first. I'm going to add on a olive oil on it, so just enough to cover. I'm just gonna use my hand. Make sure you wash your hand really good. And then now I am going to let's season this with pepper. Both sides, okay? And then salt. Alright mga loves, so I waited 10 minutes after I seasoned the chicken. So here I have a preheated pan in here. So I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're gonna go ahead cook this like side by side until we get that golden brown color. So technically, like, we're frying them. Alright my loves, this should be done, and we are going to set them aside, and then we're gonna cut them into a stick size. Now chicken is done. We're gonna start on with our sauce. So I have the pan preheated here right now. Let's add on a little bit of a olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, and then like 3 tablespoons of butter. Now let's add our minced onion. Let's wait till this come out translucent and aromatic. And then while waiting for that, I have also the boiling water ready, and we can go ahead do as well our pasta. So looks like the minced onion is ready. It is well cooked right now, and the color get translucent. And now it's time to add our minced garlic. You don't want the garlic burnt, okay? Let's just do it like light brown. Now it's time to put the white wine. I'm just gonna use like 1/3 of a cup. Now we have to wait for our white wine to evaporate and reduce the liquid of it. So we have to wait till until it's all completely not completely half evaporated, and the amount get only half of it, because we are only wanting this for a flavor. We don't want our chicken Alfredo taste like liquor. So our white wine get reduces. It's only half of the amount left. So now it's time for us to add on our heavy cream. This is 2 cups of heavy cream. And let this simmer for a few minutes until the sauce or the heavy cream get thickened. So our sauce right now, loves, it's getting thickened now. Look at that. It's been simmering for like 6-7 minutes. And I'm gonna add on the pepper. And then and just half a teaspoon of the salt. And then now we can add also the Parmesan cheese. So this guy here is 5 ounces, this one, but I'm gonna use only half of the amount, maybe about 1 cup of this. I mean, a lot of cheese the better, but I'm not gonna use them all up. So that's about 1 cup. And then let's wait this till all the cheese will get dissolved, and then let this simmer for another few minutes. Alright, loves, it's testing time. How do you twist your pasta? It is so creamy and yummy. Let me have a bite of the chicken. The chicken is perfect as well. This is really perfect to serve for dinner. I hope you will give this a try at home and let me know how it turns out. I hope you learned from this video today, and if you did, a big thumbs up is really appreciated. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!